same. Press the button, turn. Emergency exit. 2, 3, pusk. This is the Red Forest itself because her name was Rosalia, unfortunately. Shop assistant used to be nothing remaining because pine trees are mostly sensitive to radiation. 25 microrentgens per hour. 8 people that were stopping the fire. I had to do that. It's a technical request. When this road, military road, there is, and I have no idea because when I have the, so this is like to fix hot parts of the radar all around the eastern, all around. Up 200. Now it's kind of. Let's make it moved out.
Okay.
You should be afraid of. There's a chance that you. 1,556. The building that is like.
School number 1 here.
Like a second.
Looks pretty good that has survived here. Here too. An organization, that's why it has
Radioactive garbage and.
Pripyat.
They also had the basement actually.
Symbol slightly different from
That you're on the bus.
guys here.
Heard them and they don't go.
And we're standing on the field with a Chernobyl tour. It's overloaded.
Graphite is cleaned.
So they're not radioactive for the KGB. And we're used to be
So every power unit had 2 turbines.
this was supposedly
That was located in Pripyat in front of the movie theater Pripyat. In Ukrainian.
writing English is on the other side.
2 cooling towers for power unit number.
Never got built, only got partially built. Complete cooling tower.
Now, this is a photo of his.
Doors here.
It's not a normal.
Big screen. This church. This is on the bathroom here. So if you want to go outside in the morning. Like the main entrance that you see on all the.
It was very.
Yeah.
Just for a living. It's not moving.
Oh.
For people today still acts like
Від башт, від однієї до
that's of Ruthenian.
Back there, you can see it's lit up at night. Wave together, say hello, hello.
Hi.
Dniester River. I've heard of that before by Stalin.
About Ziluk.
What? Okay.
Це в нас географічний факультет.
All right.
To go to the.
Бого породила. Та й вишиванка, щоби душу гуцульщину. Вноси флешку, горіво. Дякую. Так, сідайте. Косу без братів розплести, які в'язали. І наведіме, не заніваж. Плувати життя для тої дитини сьогодні.
Oh boy.
Попробуйте. Гості мої милі і вимені.
Okay.
Річка. Ну, смерека маленька.
Use the World War I or World War II.
Але вже там буде ось. А ні. Добре, добре.
For about 4,500 lines.
Zoom out.
This was
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
separate exit for
Вже з усієї України. Значить, він спілкується з Іваном.
Запрошуємо на виїзд 4